Well, let's now go across to Mumbai, where protests are taking place against power tariffs. Interestingly, these protests have been called by Congress leader Sanjay Nirupam as well as Priya Dutt, asking for lower tariffs. And you can see those visuals there. Earlier, we were speaking to citizens of Mumbai on what they thought about this and whether it was the AAP effect that we're seeing in Mumbai, where you have the Congress leaders taking up issues concerning the common man. Many people were quite critical about this move, saying for so many years they've been the ruling party, of course, in Maharashtra, in Mumbai, and how come they've just woken up suddenly now to these high power tariffs. So you can see Sanjay Nirupam there among the crowd that has gathered to protest against Reliance Power. Earlier, Sanjay Nirupam also wrote to the Maharashtra Chief Minister threatening this mass agitation if electricity tariffs weren't reduced. And they are protesting outside the office of Reliance Energy, which is one of the suppliers to the city of Mumbai. As we said, this is probably, it is being read as the AAP effect, as this comes soon after Arvind Kejriwal's Aam Aadmi Party came to power in Delhi, taking up these very issues of high power tariffs and availability of water in Delhi. So similarly, now these Congress leaders, Sanjay Nirupam and Priya Dutt, positioning themselves as the champions of the common man and taking up an issue that affects the common man, which is high electricity tariffs. Sanjay Nirupam even writing to the Maharashtra Chief Minister Prithviraj Chavan earlier and demanding that, and in fact threatening a mass agitation if electricity tariffs were not reduced. And today you have this massive protest taking place, in which you are actually seeing Congress leaders protesting against their own government and demanding lower tariffs. Earlier we did speak to some citizens of Mumbai on what they thought. And many of the citizens were quite critical of the Congress leaders and about their political opportunism, as it is being seen for them to suddenly move on this issue that concerns the common man, despite having been in power in the state and in power there for several years now. That why is it just now that they have woken up to this issue of high power tariffs? So you can see those massive protests taking place there currently outside Reliance Power office. Let's listen into what Priya Dutt is saying.
Hey, Jhenda!
तो पता नहीं चलता कि पीछे क्या हो रहा है।
All right, so you can see Priya Dutt there addressing the massive crowds that have gathered. Congress leaders Priya Dutt and Sanjay Nirupam holding this agitation against high power tariffs in Mumbai. And as you can see, it's being pitched as the, in fact, it's being seen as the Aam Aadmi impact on the Congress party, where you have these young leaders, well, relatively young leaders taking up an issue which is closer to the common man. However, many have criticized them, saying it's political opportunism at a time that these leaders are trying to be visibly seen as defending the rights of the common man and fighting against high tariffs. But of course, it's not lost on anyone that it is the very same party that is running the government, and that no action was taken on this for several years now. Let's listen into Priya Dutt. Well, let's go across to Tejas Mehta, who joins us from there. Tejas, we can see the massive protests taking place. What are the leaders claiming?
Well, basically they are saying that the prices are much too high, that despite several, reminders to them, prices have not really come down, and they want their voice to be heard right inside. Now, right behind us is where the, office of Reliance is, and right there you can see Priya Dutt talking at this point of time. It's difficult to listen because there's a very, very small loudspeaker. but basically they're putting forth to their workers here. Remember the crowds here, about 300 to 400 people, and they are largely workers from the Congress itself have all assembled here. And Priya Dutt and Sanjay Nirupam both spearheading this entire campaign now. That they had written, Sanjay Nirupam had written to the Maharashtra Chief Minister saying that they would protest against to reduce prices, and they had given in a sense some time to the Maharashtra government. The Maharashtra government, of course, has reacted by saying that a Narayan Rane committee is already looking into these demands to lower prices, and that would happen sooner or later. But Nirupam and Priya Dutt both taking forward their protests, demanding that now they have gone in the stage of a protest, a morcha. First, they only wrote a letter. Of course, this is clearly an embarrassment for the Congress party, because they are the ones, it's actually the Maharashtra Electricity Regulatory Board which decides the prices. But there's also a huge component of tax on electricity prices, about 18%. So that also would come into consideration whether the government of Maharashtra would reduce these prices or not. But this is clearly, as many have been pointing out, the effect of the Aam Aadmi Party on the Congress. In fact, Sanjay Nirupam in his letter also mentioned that the Delhi government can do it. Why can't the Maharashtra government really, follow the same steps and reduce prices and bring some sort of, relief for the people of Maharashtra? But the second question also being asked is where were these leaders actually when prices increased in the last several months? The last hike was about 15%. At that point of time, the Congress did not really oppose. There was a token protest from the opposition. Now the allegation against them is that they are, in a sense, it's a copycat move, given the fact that elections are not too far. It's a copycat move by the Congress here in Maharashtra.
Right, Tejas, what do the people there have to say? You were speaking to so many citizens earlier, and they seem quite critical of this opportunistic politics, as it were.
Let's talk. I mean, it's a mixed crowd of Congress workers and also of, common citizens. ये बताइए कि ये जो प्रयास है कांग्रेस का अभी घटाने के लिए, पहली बात तो आप कांग्रेस में है कि आप नहीं है?
आम आदमी हूँ। आम
आदमी है। तो ये आपको क्या लगता है, ये प्रयास आम आदमी की सरकार ने दिल्ली में किया, उसका एक कॉपी कर रहे हैं?
नहीं, ये संजय जी बहुत पहले से ही कर रहे थे। आज ये संजय जी बहुत पहले से कर रहे थे, लेकिन अभी संजय जी की पूरे नॉर्थ मुंबई से पूरी पब्लिक जुटा करके एक धागा मोर्चा निकाला है। संजय जी ने हर गली गली हर घर जाकर के बात करने की कोशिश की। ये जो रिलायंस कंपनी लूट रही है।
लेकिन सवाल ये उठता है कि पहले भी बहुत बार भाव बढ़े हैं, तभी इतना बड़ा क्यों नहीं किया? अभी जब दिल्ली सरकार करती है, उसके बाद पत्र लिखा, उसके बाद ये मोर्चा हो रहा है।
नहीं, देखिए, पत्र पहले ही लिखा गया था, बहुत पहले भी पत्र लिखा गया है, इसीलिए कमेटी बनाई गई थी और वो कमेटी काम कर रही है। लेकिन ये क्या था कि एक लाइमलाइट की तरह, मतलब जिस हिसाब से अभी वर्कआउट पहले से हो रहा है, कमेटी ठीक से काम नहीं कर पा रही।
लेकिन ये इलेक्शन को देख के
नहीं, ये बहुत पहले से हो रहा है। आज हमें पता है कि 4 साल पहले भी एक लेटर लिखा गया था, हम भी वहाँ पे थे, हम भी एक स्टूडेंट हैं, हम लोग भी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के अगेंस्ट रहते ही हैं। रिलायंस जब से आया है तब से भाव बहुत बढ़ गए हैं। ये बहुत पहले से मुद्दा उठाया जा रहा है। मुंबई कांग्रेस वाले और निरुपम जी खास करके ये मुद्दा बहुत पहले से उठा रहे हैं।
Right, I mean, it's very difficult to say who is actually, a Congress supporter here. It's difficult to say, but it's difficult to say who also is a common man. But we did speak to people, as you were pointing out, Gagi, just before the morcha really began, and they were all, many of them were at least saying that where were these leaders before the Delhi government took the decision? Now, whether or not the Maharashtra government will agree to this or not, it's difficult to say. But let's go to where the protests are going on the stage. Sanjay Nirupam and Priya Dutt still talking to the crowds here. It was very, very chaotic. In fact, they were supposed to come at 11 o'clock. They only came around 12:45, and the main road, which was right there, was completely chock-a-block with these protesters. And this is Bombay, this is Mumbai, the city of Mumbai. It suffers narrow roads, it has poor infrastructure, lot of traffic, perennial traffic in fact, and large number of cars, and therefore there was a huge chaos just about half an hour ago. But now they've all been brought inside here. This entire road has been blocked. Sanjay Nirupam and Priya Dutt, as you can see right there on the stage, leading this entire protest, against what would be, one would say, the Reliance company, which is responsible for providing electricity in the suburbs of Mumbai, and that's exactly their constituency also. Priya Dutt is an MP from the Bandra area, and Sanjay Nirupam is the MP from North Mumbai, which is right here. So these are their constituencies. It would really affect them, and of course one cannot ignore the fact that elections are around the corner. Such a subsidy would really, in a sense, benefit all their voters and of course their vote bank, given the situation that Maharashtra currently is in, the anti-Congress mood, as we are saying, and of course the emergence of the Aam Aadmi Party. These protests for leaders like Nirupam and Priya Dutt, of course, very, very important. Priya, Gargi?